Greetings, explorers! Today we embark on one of the most dangerous and delicious expeditions in the galaxy. We're going underground. Deep underground. Very deep underground. To the mysterious center of planet Floop. Bring a spoon. Our journey begins in the Peach Caverns, named after the fact that they're full of peaches. A surprisingly practical naming system. Far beneath the surface flows the legendary river of warm cream. Please do not attempt to swim in it. That warning exists for a reason. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my good gravy, you look like a glamorous cupcake! To continue deeper, explorers must pass through the Valley of Custard. One wrong move and everything turns into scrambled eggs. A fate no explorer wishes to experience. As the custard thickens, we approach the inner mantle of Floop. Scientists call this stage looking at it every 10 seconds. At last, we reach the Peach Reservoir, the sweetest region in the entire planet. The caverns now begin glowing with mysterious purple energy. Either that, or somebody spelled Ube. I can't breathe! I can't breathe! What is this? What is this? The eyelashes! Oh, the lips! But the following morning, our descent resumes. Things are about to get frosty. The temperature drops rapidly as we enter the frozen core of planet Floop. I can't feel my eyebrows. Remarkable! We discovered frost sprites, tiny marshmallow creatures that inhabit the deepest caverns. They're marshmallows. That's exactly what they want you to think. You look like you sell cosmic perfume at a mall kiosk! Stop laughing! The ceiling of the cavern is filled with ancient star crystals. Every single one wishes upon itself. Stardust fields stretch for miles and crunch pleasantly when stepped on. At long last, we've reached the center of planet Floop. Look! The legendary Cosmic Peach! You look like Miss Intergalactic Dessert Festival! Oh no! It flirted with you! I hate this Peach. I'm gonna pee my pants! The treasure sought by explorers throughout the galaxy. A remarkable discovery. And significantly tastier than Nadia's purple pear. We're not discussing the pear. I am. Thank you for joining us on this historic expedition. Until next time, keep your engines fueled, your glitter polished, and your spoons ready. Safe travels, explorers. Floop-a-loop. The next person who last dies.